Hi guys. So today is Monday. Yeah, today is Monday. Anyway, I just finished eating. I did white rice with chicken, like if it would have been like a beef stew chicken, but chicken beef stew. You know, I put carrots, I put potatoes, I put green peppers, I put squash in it, pumpkin. I think it's pumpkin or squash, one of the two. That's how you say it. It was really good with white rice, and I did cabbage and cucumber salad. So that's what I had for dinner, lunch, whatever you want to call it. So guys, I'm just here to show you really quick. I did a little haul today, and because I went to the post office to go get a baby that I purchased a kit. So I want to show you guys the haul first, right? So I went to Burlington and Marshall and Walmart. So I'm gonna start with Walmart. Walmart had these for, I think it was $5. So I grabbed another one, even though I already have some, but I grabbed another one because I'm gonna be selling some babies and I want to sell them with some clothes. And then this one I brought, no, this one was for Marshall's, the Milkberry brand. I got it in Marshall. It was $4. Then I got this other one in Marshall's. Look at how cute for $4. It's so stinking cute. From $9.99, it was $4, and it comes with the bow. Excuse me. And then when I went to, because I'm nesting for this new baby that I got, so I want to show you guys the baby. I went to Burlington. Girls, when I tell you that I've been eyeing this little dress since last year, but I did not want to pay the $12.99 for it. So when I went today, how much did they had it for? $3.19 with the stocking. So I had to get it because this is for the new baby. And then I found this beautiful little dress. You see how it is? It's this dress. It has the little bonnet on it, and it has the panties, and it has the little ruffles. It's sage color with flowers with a little white bow, and then collar, and then it has two little flower embroidery in there. So yeah, this was $12.99 and I paid $4.49 for it. It's the brand Tahari. So yeah, I got that for the new baby. So that's everything I got for the baby. Then I want to show you my new baby. I need brown scissors. Let me see if I can open it with it. So guys, Memorial Day had a sale. Bountiful Baby had a sale for Memorial Day, right? And I was in bed, and then me and my hubby was talking. He goes, did you check if they have any sales on your them dolls that you be doing? I said, no, I haven't checked. So when I checked, there was two babies that I wanted to get. I wanted to get a 19-inch June asleep, which I had before. I want to get her again, and because they brought her back. And then I wanted a Joseph, 3 to 6 month Joseph, I think it is called. Southern Reborn Nursery. She has two of them. Oh my God. Well, I think she has 3, 2 or 3. I think she has. So when I seen hers, I was like, oh my God, I want one. So guys, when I went in, I got my Joseph. So I got the eyes. I brought the eyes. Because I got the Joseph Awake. The 3-month is a 3-month Joseph Awake, 23 inches. And then 3 to 6 months chubby belly back torso. I got 2. So everything was a couple of dollars. So guys, let me show you. Look at how cute. Tell me that he's not cute. But me, I'm thinking, I don't know. I think I'm going for a girl. I think I want a girl. So yeah. So this is what I got. So let me show you. Look at him right there. He's so cute. Look at this, guys. Look at how cute. So I got Joseph Awake. You can see the glares on my glasses. I'm sorry about that. So I got that. I love it. He's so chunky. Look at his face. Look at his hands. His big ass thighs. Look at this. So yeah, so I got him, which I think I'm gonna turn him into a girl because I'm more the girl mom than a boy's mom. And then I got the torso. Look, guys. I got the torso, and here goes the eyes. I got the gray bluish eyes, and then the torso. So I did not get the body, the cloth body, because that was not on sale. They wanted $20-something. No, because usually they do have sales, you know, when they put them for $10 and $12. That's when I'm gonna grab them. So yeah, so I got that. And then this is from Bountiful Baby. And then I finally received my 3 kits from AliExpress that I had ordered. So I ordered them with Monica on, oh my god, I'm sweating in here, on AliExpress. They don't deliver to Puerto Rico, but they deliver to Southern Reborn Nursery. So she ordered them to her house, and then she sent them to me. So I want to show you the baby that I got. I got Alisa. That's her name. Look at how cute. I'm reboarding her. I'm painting her. Look at how cute she's turning out, guys. So she's gonna be available. She's gonna be available pretty soon. I'm ready. Like, I gotta do the toes, just a little bit of more, just some little touches on it. And then I have here, I have the, I want this baby so bad. I have the certificate authenticity of Erica Sculpt by Joanne Kasmasask. I'm sorry if I butcher her name, but yeah, this is the kit. I got him, her, or him. I think I'm gonna turn him into a boy. Look at how cute he is. He's so cute. So I got him. And then, last but not least, I have a, oh my god, where is she? I have a Peaches. Oh yeah, I have a Peaches kit too. So I have a peach kit right here. Here she goes. I can't wait till I pay her. Look at her, guys. I got a Peaches. So yeah, so I'm gonna be having some babies for sale. So just stay tuned. So you can, you know, if you're interested, they're gonna be good price. It's not like, you know. So I'm working on Steven now. I'm working on this kit. He's from Bountiful Babies. Hold on, guys. I'm working on this one. He's from Bountiful Babies. He's gonna be available too. So yeah, guys, so this is all for now. I just stopped really quick just to show you my new baby that I'm gonna be working on, because Joseph is gonna be for me. And then I'm gonna have Alisa, and I'm gonna have a couple of more babies for sale. So stay tuned. I hope that everybody's been doing good, that everybody's doing fantastic, especially with this weather. Like over here right now, I stepped out and came, and it's still like 98 degrees out here. It's hot. AC is not even getting that cold. But anyway, I hope that everybody have an amazing week. And always remember to pray. God is first, second, and third. And always remember, without him, we're nothing. So always keep your mind straight and just go for it, you know? Oh, sorry. There was a lady that asked me about the painting. And I was telling her that, you know, just go for it. She was like, oh my god, I'm scared. It was a DM. I don't even know, girl, because I don't even be looking at the names. But yeah, all I gotta say to you is, don't be scared. Go for it. If you mess up, the good thing is that you could strip the kit all over, and you could start all over again. So if it takes you 2, 3, 4, 5 times, go for it. Just don't be scared. Just go for it and try it. That's how we learn. Practice makes better. So if you mess up, strip it, do it again. And if you messed up, you could strip it again and do it as you please. We was not born knowing all these things. You learn through the years, and you learn by practicing. So I'm not saying I'm the best artist ever, but you know what? My painting's gotten so good that, you know, I pat myself because I know I'm doing good. So guys, this is it for now. Like I said, I'll see you in my next video, and everybody have a blessed day and a blessed week. Bye, guys.